Hello guys, today in this video I'll talk about the Livewire and what is the Livewire and why we should use Livewire in Laravel. Livewire is a full stack framework for Laravel where we can create an application without writing JavaScript. So why we should use Livewire in Laravel? Livewire is a full stack framework for Laravel. Livewire makes a single page apps without JavaScript, and with the help of Livewire we can make the no page reload in Laravel, and Livewire makes an AJAX request to the server with the updated data. That means we can get the real-time data with the help of Livewire in Laravel. So in this video I'll just focus on how to integrate the Livewire in Laravel. So to do that we just need to write the artisan command composer require livewire/livewire. Now how we can install the Livewire in Laravel? For that I'll just open one folder, Laravel project. Inside this Laravel project I'll create one Laravel project here. I'll do everything from the beginning so that everyone can understand it. So to install the Laravel project here, I'll just write composer create project Laravel, and we have to write the name of the project here. For now I'll just write demo1. Okay, by entering this the Laravel project will be installed on my folder Laravel project, inside my folder Laravel project. Okay, now I'll start my application by writing the artisan command here, php artisan serve. Okay, first I have to go inside the folder where I have installed the Laravel project. For that I'll just write cd demo1, and inside the demo1 I'll just write php artisan serve. Okay, now I'll just click here. Okay, my Laravel project has been successfully installed. Now to integrate the Livewire inside this Laravel, I'll just go here. I'll just write here Livewire. We have to know this website name, laravel-livewire.com, and we'll go inside this doc, and here it is. Here it has given the composer code. So we'll just copy this to install, and we'll just open a new terminal here, and I'll go inside the demo1 folder. So for that I'll just write cd demo1, and inside there I'll just paste this code, composer require livewire. Okay, that's it. Livewire has been successfully integrated in our Laravel project. In this way you can integrate the Livewire inside our Laravel project. For today this much only, and in the next video I'll show you how to create the component inside the Livewire. Okay, thank you.